Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at the BreezeBox AC. This device is marketed as a compact, portable air cooler that offers quiet operation, multiple fan speeds, and humidifying features. While that sounds appealing, the reality is that it isn't a true air conditioner. What you are actually buying is a small plastic fan paired with a water tank. It might produce a slight breeze with some moisture, but do not expect it to lower the temperature of a room. It simply lacks the necessary cooling power. It might be marginally useful if you are sitting directly in front of it in a tiny area like a closet, but that is the extent of its capability. Many of the claims surrounding this product are intentionally misleading. For example, the assertion of silent operation is completely untrue. Many users have noted that it sounds more like a loud vacuum cleaner. Additionally, features like extended battery life or specialized cooling settings are inconsistent and often fail to work as advertised. There are numerous reports regarding leaks, flimsy construction, and disruptive noise levels. Let's discuss the pricing structure. This identical gadget is sold on platforms like Alibaba for under $12. However, BreezeBox lists it on their site for as much as $59 just by applying premium branding. It is the exact same inexpensive device, only with some added LED lights. Their marketing tactics are also highly suspicious. They utilize fake endorsements from major organizations like USA Today and ABC News. Upon closer inspection, there is no evidence these endorsements ever existed. They even created a fictional engineer named Ed Black to appear more professional, which is a total fabrication. The reviews on their own website are suspiciously perfect, with every entry being 5 stars. There is no mechanism for actual customers to submit genuine feedback. Meanwhile, identical products on Amazon or Trustpilot are being criticized for terrible quality and dishonest service. This is a textbook dropshipping scam. They employ fake countdown clocks, high-pressure tactics, and false stock warnings to force quick purchases. If you attempt to secure a refund, you will likely face significant challenges. Customers report being ignored or trapped by vague return policies. The BreezeBox AC is a total ripoff. You are much better off saving your funds and purchasing a genuine air conditioner from a trustworthy brand. Do not believe the hype. This device is simply not worth your money.